Back at the School of Hard Knocks again. This is my other staging area, and this is one of the desks that will be sitting underneath of the counter for the office desk. As you can see, it's walnut columns with rustic oak fronts. Actually, the fronts on these are an elm, and elm takes a little darker look when it's got a barnwood look, so it kind of gets a really nice dark patinaed out color to it, so that's kind of cool, and it takes a really great finish when you do it. This is a lacquer, high build lacquer from Sherwin-Williams for the finish, and then the desk itself is a big L-shaped receptionist desk. Again, the staging area is my kitchen. So for you guys, if you're not married yet and you're going to work out of your home, consider the relationship with your wife before you decide to be a woodworker in a small setting, because my wife is pretty gracious when it comes to setting up furniture in the house. This is work we've done here. The kids have done work on the cabinets. So Jonathan, Mike, and Luke built the cabinets with a little bit of help from some friends, and so they did cutting blocks. You can see different things we've done here. The top cabinets are not finished yet. My wife did this really cool painting job, but it's a curly maple fronts on the cabinets, and then a walnut back, and so the kitchen looks kind of like this. And it's a great place to hang out with woodworking. So the floor is hickory, and Jonathan and Mike and Luke put that in as well. They also made the trim, did the kitchen, and then in the back porch, sometime we'll go back there and I'll show you the log deck that the kids built as well. So again, thanks for watching. We'll give you another update here soon. I'll see you later from the School of Hard Knocks. This is John Dierenfeldt checking out.